Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the verb ir, okay? If we look up at the top, all right, the verb ir means to go, okay? So we're going to look at the verb to go today. We're going to talk about like what we're going to do. So the way that you express that is you say the verb ir, to go. Then you have a, which means like you're going to somewhere, okay? And then an infinitive is a verb that is not conjugated. Okay, so technically, or usually whenever a verb is not conjugated, it's going to end in three things: AR, ER, IR. Okay. All right, so there are two ways to talk about your future plans, okay? The first way is to use the future tense. Okay, we'll learn this a little bit later on. So for today, we're going to learn about the second way, which is like saying you are going to do something. Okay, so if you are going to do something, we say it all the time. I'm going to go to biology next. I'm going to eat lunch. I'm going to the basketball game tonight, okay? We're always doing something. And the way that we format this is we're going to use the verb ir conjugated. So we're going to conjugate the verb ir, I-R, okay, plus a, the letter A, plus the infinitive. Okay, so that's how we're going to express that we're going to do something in the future. Okay, ir, which means to go, this is an irregular verb. Okay, and that just means it doesn't follow the rules. So it doesn't follow the rules that I've given you guys. Take off the ending, add the correct ending. Okay, so we've got voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, and van. Okay, you guys are just going to have to memorize these. There's no like rules I can give you. Okay, this means I am going. Okay, you are going. He or she is going. We are going. They are going. Those are your translations. So let's look down at these sentences down here. Okay. So we've got vamos a hablar por teléfono. So if we look up here, we know vamos means we are going. So it's going to say we are going to talk on the telephone. Okay, remember something we're doing in the future, we're using ir conjugated, which is right there, then a, and then our infinitive. Okay, try to conjugate the next one. Pause the video. All right, then we have voy a caminar a la escuela. I am going to walk to school. Something you're doing in the future. I'm going to do this. We are going to do that, okay? The conjugated form of an ir, a, and then your infinitive. Okay, pause the video and do the next two. Okay, the next one, are you going to run tomorrow? Okay, and then the last one, my parents are going to watch TV. All right, in Spanish, there are two types of contractions. In English, we have a lot, like can't, don't, won't. It's when two words come together to make one. Okay, so you've got a plus el, which this means to thee, and del means of thee. Okay, so yo voy al mercado, I'm going to go, or I'm going to the supermarket. Okay. Let's look at the questions down here. So we want to answer these in complete sentences. So the first one asks, ¿Qué van a hacer ustedes en el centro comercial? So it asks, what are y'all going to do at the mall? Okay, so if it's asking what are y'all going to do, how are you going to answer this? Okay, you're going to say we are going to. So if we want to say we are going to, we're going to say vamos a, and then whatever you're going to do at the mall. Let's say you're going to buy shoes. Comprar zapatos. Okay. Go ahead and pause the video and answer the next 4. Okay, number 2. ¿Qué van a hacer tus hermanos en la piscina? What are your brothers going to do at the pool? Okay, I'm going to say they van a nadar. They are going to swim. Okay, number 3. Ask ¿qué va a hacer Mario en el parque? What is Mario going to do at the park? I'm going to say Mario va a jugar. Okay. Next one, ¿qué va a hacer Verónica en la biblioteca? What is Veronica going to do in the library? So I'm going to say Verónica va a leer. She is going to read. Notice I'm using the conjugated form of ir, a, and then an infinitive. Okay, ¿qué voy a hacer en casa? What am I going to do at home? I'm going to say voy a dormir. I'm going to sleep. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions over that.